Hi guys, good afternoon. This is once again MS11 1812 Lancaster, New City. So this is the condition of my house repairs. Today is September 3 and it's about 12:15. So today only one worker came in to do the flooring of the living room. So this is what they are doing. They removed the tiles because it was cracking, and under the tiles they found this. So it was a lot of, it's mostly sand. I don't see any cement, sand and gravel. This is the downstairs washroom. The reason why that wire is exposed is because they used a sledgehammer, and this one should be a PVC pipe, but again that's a flexible hose. And this is the washroom, still not done. Now I had requested for rewiring, which the engineer and contractor agreed upon, but when the electrician came today and when I asked him what he was going to do, he said he's going to find the pipeline of the electrical connection. And then it's strange because what was discussed and what the guy wanted to do is something different. And then I called the contractor and I told him about it, and he said that we should not interfere with his people. But that's not right, because this is my house, I'm paying for it, it's a 4 million house, and if I find that the workers are not doing something correctly, I need to correct them, because most of them are not skilled. Some of them don't even know what they are doing. Now let's go upstairs, and as you go upstairs, these bars are already exposed and it's difficult for us to climb up. And here again there is this flexible hose, and according to the electrician that is for the cable. And I was shocked. I said, why is the cable going into the washroom? Nobody uses the cable in the washroom. And then I told him this one, I'm really tired, honestly speaking. And he said, oh, they were lazy to use the elbow. I said, that's not my problem. Now my problem is the lights sometimes flicker, the switches are grounded because it sparks. And if you go here to this other connection, it was a PVC pipe and then flexible hose, and you see it's all taped. So I do not trust this electrical installation anymore. And over here, it's very difficult for them to remove this to get into the electrical, the electrical installation. Now, the light downstairs does not work properly, especially when it's raining. And these switches, of course, these outlets also give us a problem. The aircon here, when it rains heavily, it has a problem. So there's something wrong somewhere. So if you look at this down here also, look at that. There's actually a hole down there. And this is the bedroom upstairs next to the master bedroom. Now the electrician says if he puts in new electrical installation, it will hamper the door. The door cannot be closed. But then this door has to be replaced, because if you look at the door, it's not aligned properly. You see up, it's okay. But as you go down, it has a bigger gap. So what happens when the aircon is on, the cool air disappears, it goes out. So actually it should be a less gap. I mean, there you see it's small, but as you go up over here, it's bigger. So that's how it is. So this is just to show you of what they are doing in my house. Like I always say, it's a 4 million house, but I'm tired, I'm disgusted, I'm dismayed at what kind of a house was actually given to me. I mean, if we did not have problems with the electricity, we would not have known the kind of work that they have done over here. So this is another eye-opener to Pro Friends, and I really demand that they do this properly and give it to me, because Otherwise, I'll have no choice but to go further up and see if I can get help from other departments. Now, I'm not even sure if ProFriends knows what has happened to the houses that they asked these contractors to build for them. So I'll keep you in touch, guys, and let you know about the progress of the house repair. So I'll sign off now, and again, please view and share so that ProFriends would know the problem. This is not to destroy the company. This is just so that this is an eye-opener. Okay, guys? Thank you and see you again. Bye-bye and have a good afternoon.